Hello, and welcome to this channel called AI_Matrix to improve your learning skills. I hope you are doing well. I am Professor David, so let's get started. Welcome. Today, we'll dive deep into Bubble Sort, a simple yet powerful sorting algorithm. Let's get started. What is Bubble Sort? Bubble Sort is a straightforward sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated until the list is sorted. Bubble Sort basic example. Let's start with a basic example. Here's an unsorted list of numbers: 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. First pass explained. Highlight the first two numbers, 5 and 1. In the first pass, we compare the first two numbers, 5 and 1. Since 5 is greater than 1, we swap them. Swap 5 and 1. 3. The list now looks like 1, 5, 4, 2, 8. Next, we compare 5 and 4. Since 5 is greater, we swap them. Swap 5 and 4. The list now looks like 1, 4, 5, 2, 8. We continue this process for the rest of the list. Complete the first pass, resulting in 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. Second pass explained. In the second pass, we start again from the beginning. Show comparisons and swaps between 1 and 4, no swap, 4 and 2, swap, 4 and 5, no swap, and 5 and 8, no swap. After the second pass, our list looks like this: 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Subsequent passes. We continue this process. In the third pass, we only need to swap once. By the fourth pass, the list is already sorted, but Bubble Sort will still make one final pass to confirm. Now slightly deep example with detailed explanation. For more practice. A new, slightly larger list, e.g. 64, 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, 90. Now, let's look at a deeper example. First pass deep dive. We start with the first pass. Comparing 64 and 34, we swap them. Next, we compare 64 and 25 and swap. We continue this process until the end of the list. Complete the first pass, resulting list: 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, 64, 90. Subsequent passes deep dive. In the second pass, we start from the beginning again. Notice that 64 and 90 are already in place, so we don't need to move them. We continue comparing and swapping the other elements. Final sorted list. After several passes, we have our fully sorted list: 11, 12, 22, 25, 34, 64, 90. Notice how Bubble Sort works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements until the entire list is in order. Optimizing Bubble Sort. Bubble Sort can be optimized by recognizing that the last elements in each pass are already sorted. We can reduce the number of comparisons in each subsequent pass. Bubble Sort summary. Bubble Sort: simple, easy to implement, inefficient for large lists. To summarize, Bubble Sort is a simple and easy to implement algorithm. However, it's inefficient for large lists due to its high number of comparisons and swaps. Thanks for watching. We hope you now have a deep understanding of Bubble Sort. Happy sorting! If you like this short Bubble Sort tutorial, subscribe for more educational videos, and share this video and channel with your friends. Who wants to learn coding and skills? Thank you.